Hello everyone, here's what's up in San Bernardino for February 2nd through February 8th, 2026. On Monday, join the Billiards Club at the Lytle Creek Community Center, 380 South K Street in San Bernardino. This event is open for all skill levels, ages 13 to 17, but pre-registration is required. For more information, call 909-384-5424. On Tuesday, the PAL Center Food Impact Program, 2450 Blake Street in San Bernardino, is holding a food distribution walk-up event from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Everyone is welcomed. Be sure to bring your own bags or a cart. For more information, call 909-887-7002. Carnegie Infant Toddler Success is sponsoring a puzzle day at Home of Neverly Service, 839 North Mount Vernon Avenue in San Bernardino from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Open to all families in the San Bernardino city boundaries. Enjoy matching puzzle pieces together with your little ones. Free child care included for ages 0 through 5, plus a free light meal will be provided. For more information, call 909-245-1454. On Thursday, the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, 555 West 6th Street, 2nd floor in San Bernardino, is holding a computer class for adults. This class is designed for beginners through advanced, helping adults develop confidence in their computer skills. For more information, call 909-998-4290. Step into the world of prehistoric giants at Dinosaur Adventure at the National Lawrence Show Event Center, 690 South Arrowhead Avenue in San Bernardino. This unique exhibit showcases life-size realistic dinosaurs that move and roar just like the real thing. For tickets and more information, visit dinosauradventure.com. On Saturday, the San Bernardino Valley Amateur Astronomers will hold their February meeting from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. at First Christian Church, 2102 East Foothill Drive in San Bernardino. The goal of the SBVAA has been to organize amateur astronomers in the San Bernardino Valley area. For more information, please email sbvaa.webadmin@gmail.com. On Sunday, join LaBelle Gowns for Prom Expo, 194 West Club Center Drive in San Bernardino. See the latest prom dress collections and discover a range of tones, silhouettes, and fabrics as gowns glide down the runway. Also meet selected vendors and special guests to help elevate your prom night. For more information, call 909-726-1002. And that's what's up in San Bernardino for February 2nd through February 8th, 2026. If you have an event that you'd like us to highlight here, send an email to events@videop.com. And we'll see you next time, and we'll let you know what's up San Bernardino.